welcome once again. Today we are going to discuss a different set of problems of percentage. So without wasting any time, I am going into the sums, but before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos that we upload from time to time. And if you like this video, please like and share. So let's go to the problem. The problem that the first type of problem that we are going to discuss is when some number is decreased by some percentage and we have got the new decreased value or increased value, then we have to find the original number. So first example that we are going to take, find the number which becomes 2775 when decreased by 7.5%. So this 2775, you first have to understand that this is the decreased value and we have to find out the original number. So decreased value is 2775, original value we have to find out, and decreased percentage is equals to 7.5%. So there are two ways we can do it. First way is we can take x as the original value and calculate everything according to the x. So those who are comfortable in doing the sums with x, please follow this process. Let the original value be x. So it is equals to 100%. Now we have to decrease this value by 7.5%. Okay. So we have to calculate 7.5% of x. So let's calculate 7.5% of x. We have already learned how to do this. So it is 15 by 2% into x. That means 15x by 200 is my value. So this is the value which is 7.5% of x. Now we have to find out what value it forms after decrement. That means my value that we have taken as x and it is decreased by 15x by 200. So the decreased value, for finding out decreased value, we have to subtract this 15x by 200 from x. So let's do that. So it becomes 200x minus 15x by 200. So it will give me 200 minus 85 is 15 is 185 x by 200. Now I am not changing this. We will take this value into calculation. So the decreased value that we have calculated is 185x by 200, which is equals to 2775, which is given in the question. So we will form an equation with these two values. 185x by 200 will be equals to 2775, and we have to solve this. Okay. So to find the value of x, we just have to change the sides of the numbers. Okay. 2775 will be multiplied by 200 and will be divided by 185. Now we have to calculate. 185 can be divided with 5. 5 3s are 15, 3 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2, again 5 5s are 25, 2, and 5 5s are 25. So we have got 555. 37 is prime number. So 37 can divide 555 and it will give me 15 as answer. So the remaining number, that is 15 into 200, becomes 3000. So x is equals to 3000. That means my original value is 3000. So after calculation, we have got x as 3000. Those who are comfortable in calculating with x, they can follow this process and easily find out the value of the original number. Now let me quickly show you another process by which you can do similar type of sum. Okay, for showing this I have taken another example. Find the number which becomes 585 when increased by 8 whole 1 by 3%. Okay, so it is a similar type of sum. Now instead of decreasing we have taken increasing. Okay, so if my original number is 100%, okay, and when this is increased by 8 whole 1 by 3%, so the new percentage of the new number will become 100 plus 8 whole 1 by 3%. That means it will become 108 whole 1 by 3%. This will be the new percentage value of the number, which is equals to 585. Okay, so 585 will be equals to 108 whole 1 by 3%. We have to find out what is the value of 100%. Hope you have understood this. So we have to equate this 585 with 108 whole 1 by 3%. Okay, so 108 1 by 3% in the process of ratio proportion we will do, that is equals to 585. What will be the value of 100%? We have to find out, and it's a simple thing. In the ratio we have learned that this multiplied by this divided by this will give me the answer. So to find out the value of 100%, what we have to do, 585 multiplied by 100% divided by 108 whole 1 by 3%. So first we cancel percent and the calculation remains like this. So let's continue with the calculation. This is 585 multiplied by 100, and in the denominator we will get 3 into 108, that is 324 plus 1, 325 by 3. This 3 will go up. So 585 into 100 into 3 divided by 325. Now let's cut. It will cut by 5. 5 6 are 32, and it is 65. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 3 117. Again 6 5 11. Okay, 65 and 117. Cut 65 with 13. 13 5s are 65, and 13 will divide 117 will give me result 9, and 5 will cut 100 as 20. So we have here the value 9 into 20 into 3. So that gives me 60 into 9, 540. My new or the original value that we are calculating is 540. So in this way, without taking x, we can calculate the similar type of problem just by taking into consideration the increased or decreased percentage. Hope you have understood this. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel.